Hello, good morning, guys. How are you doing? My name is Adidako Mike Sunday. It is your host again this morning. I'm happy to have you here. Seriously, I'm happy. I'm happy. And today, I'm going to be teaching you how you can design a e-commerce website. I mean, a standard e-commerce website. Now, when you show people, they're going to begin to say, "Wow, are you the one that do this?" In a very simple way. I'm going to show you all those secrets today. And because today I will not be using WordPress, I will be using script. I have the script, and at the end of the video, I'm going to tell you the procedure to get the script, so you don't have to worry yourself. All we'll be using, you will see it, and they are in the script. So, firstly, before I move to the demo, before I show you the demo, I really want to thank you for everything you guys have been doing for me. And seriously, you guys have been a blessing to me for helping me to hit 1,000 subscribers. Seriously, it is a huge blessing to me. I really appreciate you guys. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you very, very much. And for my lover, for those who have stayed connected to my YouTube channel 247, I want to thank you guys for everything, for staying on my YouTube channel to learn every pieces of information I'm dropping on my YouTube channel. Thank you very, very much. God bless you. I really appreciate it. Now, today, what I want to show to you, this is the e-commerce site I want to show to you. So this is how the site look like. Can you see it? This is the site. So it has the pieces of, you can see, you can order, you can do anything, and so forth like that. So there's a lot of things here. You can buy a product. Can you see all these products? Can you see it? Can you see? So let's imagine we want to buy one product. So let's just go for this product. Let's imagine we want to go for this product. Now this is the product we want to buy now. So we're going to click on add to cart or buy now. So let's just click on buy now. So when I click on buy now, it's going to take me to where I can make my payment. Can you see? It's going to ask me, and I'm going to click on checkout. Can you see? So when I click on checkout, it's going to take me to where I can fill my billing address. So I'm going to come here to fill my address. Just type my name. Let me just see some default stuff. And I'm going to use split same as billing address, same as this, and I'm going to click on continue. So it's going to take me to the review of my payment. So can you see? It's going to ask me, this is my invoice, and this is where they are going to ship. This is the address they are going to ship the product to. So it's going to say me I should review my invoice, and can you see? I should review my invoice, and I should click on what method do I want to use to pay. So you can use so many methods. We have so many methods here. We have Paystack, we have bank transfer, we have this and that. I have Paystack, I have configured it, I have this, but I don't have the money. I'll make it live. So let me just go for cash on delivery. So when I click on cash on delivery, it's going to tell me, oh wow, that's good, and I'm going to click on cash on delivery, and it's going to send me a mail. Oh guy, I'm going to have my receipt, and it's going to send me that mail receipt also. Can you see? Thank you for ordering for your stuff. Please, can you see stuff like that? This is a upselling. Okay, you can still view our product again, stuff like that. And that is just basically how to go about it. And if you check your mail, you will have seen a mail that's showing your receipt. So guys, I'll be teaching you guys how to build this type of website for free of charge without wasting any effort. You are not even using any effort. You're not doing anything. Within 30 minutes, you can set it up. Seriously. So let's go straight. So let me just come here. This let me come to my cPanel. I've created a subdomain I'll be using for this training. So let me go to my file manager. So the number one thing I want to do in my file manager is that I want to install the script. So the first thing you need to do is just come to your file manager and to come and install the script. So this is the one I'll be using. This is the folder I want to be using. I will double click on it. So immediately I double click on it, I'm going to click on this and I'm going to delete it. I don't need it. So I'm going to say, okay, where's the delete folder? Delete. Okay, this is it. I'm going to click on it. Skip the trash, confirm. And immediately I'm done with that, I'm going to click on upload. So I'm going to locate the file on my dashboard and I'm going to install it. So I'm going to click on select file. So when I click on select file, it's going to take me to my PC folder where I can click on the stuff. So I'm going to go to, I'm not installing element, where's my script? Okay, script e-commerce by Vivid. I'm going to click on it. So when I click on it, I'm going to double click on this again. Please make sure you follow my procedure. Now this is one I want to install. Can you see installable? So in case I send this to you, this is what you're going to be using to install. This is what you need to install. So click on it and click on install. So when you click on install, it's going to load. Now Now, guy, I want to tell you about my friend. I need to talk to you about him. His name is Vivid Code. We have been a friend for a couple of time now, and this guy is a very good guy. He's a professional guy like me. So I really love him so much. We met online though, and this guy, he has a lot of script. I mean, a lot of script. When I mean a lot of script, this guy has it. In case you want to get any script for your business, see, think about a business you want to do, a business website, any website you want to build. This guy have the script. So in case you need you need any script for any project, just get in touch with me. I'm going to connect you with Vivid, which happen to be my friend, or I'm going to help you to get the script from him. So that is just the basic thing I want to inform you about my friend. He's a very good guy, and he's going to give you free support on any script you purchase from his hand. Any script you purchase from his hand is going to give it to you, free support. So guys, in case you need this guy, in case you want to, you need any script, just chat me up on WhatsApp on 09035382271, and I'm going to link you guys together, or I get a script for you from him on your behalf. So that's just it. Now let's wait for this thing to load, and then we'll move forward to the next process, because after installing it, every other process is quite simple. Everything is quite simple. So let's wait and let's move forward. Now you need to wait, even though you are seeing on there, you need to wait for it to change to this color. If it does not change to this color, don't do anything. So since it has changed to this color, so what you need to do is to click on go back. Now when you click on go back and you see this is it, this is the script, just click on it and click on extract. Can you see this extract? And click on extract to display. That's good. Extract. So in case you guys are using normal domain, you are not using subdomain, just install it on your publish_html. Just install it on this place in case you are using normal domain. But in case you are not using normal domain, you are using subdomain, then go and locate your subdomain. Now can you see we have installed the script. Now number one thing you need to do after extracting the script is to come to this installable. Now double click on it, and you see all this folder. Now what you need to do in all this folder is to click on select all and move the folder. Can you see? Click on move. Now you see that all these folders are inside installable, and we don't want them to be inside installable. We want it to be inside the subdomain alone. So we are going to clean this installable out. So I'm going to click move folder. That means we are moving all this folder from that installable to our normal subdomain. Can you see now that this folder is empty? So I will click on this. Can you see that all those things are here now? Can you see now? Now, where is it inside? If you click on this installable now, double click on it, you see that you won't see anything there. Can you see? Nothing is there again. So let's go back. So let's check installer again. You will see all this thing is right. So just go back. Or let me just click on my training. Now, another thing you need to do again about when you are installing this thing is you can delete this one that you have installed. So I can just click on it and click on delete. I don't need it again. Now, once you have done with it, just check the folder. Let me check all the folder. Yeah, they're okay. So another thing you need to also do is that you need to come to this particular setting. Please click on it and click on your home directory. Can you see it? Home directory, and click on show hidden file. Click on save. Now when you immediately click on that, you will notice that this file was not here before, but this file has come back here now. Because if you are not seeing this htt asset file, this script will not work effectively. In fact, it will not work. You'll be seeing error 404. It happened to me several times when I first started using the script. But once you click on this setting and you click on home directory and you click on show hidden file, I can assure you it's going to work perfectly. So that is just it. So now, since we have installed this, let's go to our before anything, I would like to create our our database, because I don't want us to get to the middle of the way and we'll now pause and come and create our database. So firstly, let's go and create our database. So come back to your cPanel and scroll down to, can you see database? I hope you are following me. Please make sure you follow my steps so that you can have the adequate result. So database, under database, I will come to MySQL database wizard. Can you see? Click on it. Immediately you click on it, it's going to take you. What is the name of your database you want to use? Let me just use Dleading. Dleading. So I'm going to click on next step. So when I click on next step, it's going to ask me which username do I want to use. I will just say Mike, or let me just say Michael. Michael is okay. It's going to ask me for the password. Which password do I want to use? I'm going to use password generator. I love to use that especially for database. So when I click on password generator, I will make sure I copy this, copy, Ctrl C, and come to my what is it called, notepad, and I'll paste it here, Ctrl V, and I will minimize this. So I will click on, I have copied this password in a safe place. So use password. Can you see now? Click on use password. When I click on it, can you see it show me strong? I'm going to click on create user. So when I click on create user, the next thing that is very, very important you need to copy is this thing. Make sure you copy all this database name, database and user, all this thing I copy, just copy it, Ctrl C, and come to this place and paste it here. Paste it here. Hope you see what I'm doing. That's good. Then once you copy this, once I don't copy this, then click on all privilege. Just click on it. Immediately you click on it, come to and click on next step. Now we have successfully created our database. Now then we can move forward to go and install the script. Since I have shown you this one, I think there's no need of me. Let me close this place. Okay, let me make sure that okay, let me come to this place and I will copy the script name here, the script name, which is the subdomain name. The subdomain name. If you are using, if you are installing it on your own normal website that you do, is not under subdomain, just copy that your website link and come here. So I will click on this place and I will paste it here. This is my link now, and I'll click on enter. So immediately I click on enter. Now, can you see it's showing error 404 like I said earlier? So what I need to do now is to go to my cPanel to go and check where is the error line. Yeah, you know, I said I think this is my cPanel now, and I want to check where is the error. And I think if the folder must have this thing, the folder must have this HTTP, and this is one. But let me check installer. It's not here. Okay. I think I know where this the HTTP asset will be. There's an HTTP asset that comes with the script, and there's also an HTTP asset that comes with my own subdomain, because any website I am designing, I have a way of which I manually install SSS on it, and my websites are always secured. So that anytime I install SSS on it, especially if you are using TrueHost, so anytime I install SSS on it, it usually comes with this. But there's also a HTTP asset that comes with the script. Let me check installable. You know, can you see? You know, we move everything away from here that time. But at the time we are moving everything away from installable here, I have not set up this thing. I have moved everything away before I set up this thing. Now, most of the time when you install the script, make sure before you move anything, make sure you click on home directory and you click on show hidden file, because sometimes those things are hidden. They are hidden. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to click on this and I'm going to click on move. So when I click on move, I'm going to clean this installable to just move it to under that subdomain. Can you see? Move file. See that nothing is here again now, so that is good. Let me come to this place. Can you see now the two have now become one here? That is it. If you refresh the two, you see that the two have become one. Can you see now? Now let's go back to our site now and let's refresh. Can you see now? Hope you are seeing it like this. So that is the major reason, and so thank God you guys have seen it. So firstly, what you need to do is you need to check the requirement. If you go and check the price of this script, you see that it's an huge amount of price, but I'll be giving you for it just free price. So guys, let's go forward. Now, first thing you need to do is that you need to check the requirement. Click on check requirement, and it's going to tell you all the requirements. Can you see? Wow, all the requirement is done, so it's good. Let's move to check the permission. The permission can never correct. Can you see? So you'll be the one to do it by yourself. The first place we are going to is storage framework, storage log. Oh yeah, let's do this step one after the other. So storage framework. So let's go back to our feed panel. We have what we call come to your asset. In your asset, okay, in your asset, let me see, asset image, asset sitemap. Okay, let's first trash all these assets now. Asset image, so you come here, asset image, this is it. So you will right click, make sure you right click and click on change permission. Can you see? And you change the permission to, and you come here, can you see? Just click this place, you change it to 775. Click on change permission. And if you come to this place, you see that it is 775 that must be there. Everything must be 775. We have done with asset image. If you refresh your site, you see that it will mark it. Can you see? So we are going to asset sitemap. So let's come here again. Asset sitemap. This is it. This is sitemap. Under assets. Can you see we are under asset? And these are the file under asset. So we are coming to the sitemap. So you right click again. Change permission 75. Do the same thing. So you come here again. I should pause the video and do it, but I want to show you everything so that it won't look as if maybe I pause the video and I do it. So asset file, can you see asset file? So I'm going to come to this place, asset file. This asset file, right click, change permission, the same thing, change permission. What else again? Let's come to here again, refresh. So can you see the asset file has changed to 77 has been ticked. Make sure you do the same thing. Just come here to asset file, right click, change permission, and make sure you tick this center. That is how to go about it now. So let me just cancel this one. What is the next page now? The next page is resource and language. Resource language. So I'll come here. What happened to my resource? I'll come back here. Resource installer. Let me check resource. It's not here. Back. Core. Resource and language. Okay, this is resource. Can you see? This is the resource file. The resource file is under core. So I will double click again because I'm going to language. Now this is the language. So I will right click. I will change permission again, and I'll click 775. Change permission. So I will come back here and I will refresh. Can you see now? So what boost it will this one, bootstrap and cache. Bootstrap to cache. So I will go back again. Core, let me check. Bootstrap, yeah, this is it. Under him, I'm going to cache. This is the cache. I will right click and I will change permission, and I will change it to, I will click here to change it to 775. Click on this. So what next again? Storage and log. So let me come back again. Storage and log. Let me click here. Storage. Can you see this is storage? Click on log, double click on it, and you open to log. This is the log. Yeah, right click and change permission, change to 775. What is the next one? Storage and log. The storage and framework. Is the left one. So I come here, this is the framework, right click here, change permission, click on the middle one, which is this. Yeah, click on it. I think we are done now. Let me refresh here now. So let me refresh. Can you see everything is done? Now when everything is done, then you can click on verify. I'm going to click on verify license, because now we want to verify this thing. So what do we need to do? Let me just copy. I have the script code here. Everything we need to do to verify the store. So this is the Gmail you need to copy. I'm going to send you everything. Copy it and come to this place and paste it here. So what is the next thing? The inverter username. It's here. Inverter username is this. Ctrl C. and come to this place and paste it here. The purchase code, yeah, the purchase code is here. So just copy it, Ctrl C, and come back to this place and paste it here. Now click on verify. Wow, that's nice. We move now. The next thing is, what is the name of your store? I can just call this name of your store best e-commerce site. Best. Let me just say, let me just call it Dleading store, or let's just call it bookstore, or fashion store, or Jesus store. Yeah, let me call it Jesus store. Jesus store, yeah, Jesus store. So I'm going to come back here. Can you see your app URL? That means it's talking about your website URL. So just come to this place and copy this your URL. If it is your, just copy your website link. Ctrl C. Can you see what I copy? You see that I didn't copy everything. Please don't copy everything. No, just copy your website link alone, and you come here and paste it here. Ctrl V. What is your database host? Now your database host is localhost. Just type localhost here. Localhost. Now what is your database name? You know, so that's why I said we should create our database earlier. So my database name is this. My database name. Can you see this is it? I will copy it. Ctrl C. I will come back here. Database name. I'll paste it here. What is your username? I will come back to this place. Copy my username. My database user. That if this user means username, I will Ctrl C again. I will come back here and paste it here. What is the database password? I will come back to this place and I will copy all this. Which is my password? Ctrl C, and I will come back here and paste it here. Guys, once you have done with all these things, what do you need to do? What you need to do next is to click on install. And let's see if we don't have any issue. Can you see successful? Wow, that's cool. That's cool. So can you see? I don't need to save this. Can you see it is successfully installed? Application key are fetched successfully. So guys, let's move next. Click on exist. Wow. This is nice. This is nice. Can you imagine what you are seeing here? Can you imagine it? Wow. This is nice. Can you see? I'm telling you, this is a standard e-commerce site that you can ever think about. This is a kind of site that you can collect 500k, 300k, 400k, 250k from your client. And you don't need to do anything. All you need to do is just to come and begin to edit all these things from your admin dashboard. And the most funniest thing is that this template had a lot of categories. Can you see? Just check here. We have a lot of all categories. You can select woman clothes. You can select anything you want to like. And if I were you, if you don't need it, you can delete everything. Very straightforward. You don't need to worry yourself. So let me show you the back end and let's move forward then. So let me go to if you want to go to the back end, you will put //admin. Just put /admin here and enter. Wow. Seriously, this is lovely. Now, what is your admin email? Come to your admin email and just type I will give you an admin email you need to use if you want to log in. Then you can edit, you can change your password anyhow. This is admin email. Just use this one as admin email. I will come, just Ctrl C, and I'll come back to this place and I'll paste it here. Ctrl V, and I'll come to my password. I will come back to this folder and I'll copy my password as my password. Ctrl C, and I'll come here and I'll paste it here. Can you see? And I'll click on sign in. Wow. Can you see the dashboard? Oh my god, just close this one. I'll never. Can you see? We have a lot of things. Can you see? Oh my god, this is heavy. Seriously. Now firstly, you can come here and change your password, your details, your profile image and stuff like that. You can change everything here to your own. but I don't have time for that now. But since you know how to do, you can be here and be viewing your site from the front end. Now you can come and change. Now these are all the list of categories. Now if you are creating this for a client, you just come here, click on category, you will see all the list of category that is on the site. Anyone you don't like, you can delete all of them. And if you don't want to delete, you can disable them. That people will not be able to see it on the front end. Can you see as simple as that? These are the subcategory also. You can come to subcategory, you can see. If you don't need them, you can delete everything and just configure it to what you need. Very, very simple. And these are child category. It's all depend. These are categories under, because this thing is fully is a e-commerce site that specializes on selling clothes, fashion of a thing like that. We have child category, we have stuff, a lot of category like that. If you don't need any of these, you can delete them. There's no big deal in that. So we're done with category section. If you want to manage your product, this is where you can see all the products. All the products that relate with brand are here. All the products that relate, you can add new products. You can see all your products. Let me click on all products to see all my products. Can you see there? All these products are in the front end. Can you see? You can just click on them and edit it. If you want to edit it, can you see this option? Edit. Can you see it? You can view it. You can delete it also if you don't like it. That is it. So if you are all products are related to it, maybe all the brand you are selling, because if you look at the front end here, let me put the front end, you will see that there's some brand that this product is all about. So okay, oh my god, well, I love this. Seriously, I love what I'm seeing. No, I love what I'm seeing. I'm telling you the truth, I love what I'm seeing. Can you see these are the brand, they are popular brand that are selling their stuff on their site. You can change the brand, you can delete it. These are all the brand. So guys, if you want to add new product, can you see this is it? Add product. If you want to add a product, is it a physical product? If it's a physical product, friends, click on this one. If it's a digital product, click on this one. If it's a licensed product are product maybe like product you get from that has a license key, or that you I don't know how to explain that, this licensed product. And yeah, if it's an affiliate product, also affiliate product are product that you are affiliating for. Maybe you just see the product from another person's website and you copy the product and you're affiliating for them, you paste on your website link. Just so simple as that. So campaign, if you want to create a new campaign, maybe you want to talk, okay, we have a new product on ground, we have a this and that, you can come here and click on this. So that is it. If you want to, all your product review are here, stuff like that. These things are very nice. If you want to manage your order, you can manage all your order here, all your pending order, all your progress order, all your deliver order and cancel order, everything you see it here. So your transaction, you can see it here. Now where I am focusing on is this place, e-commerce, and this is where you can set your payment, you can set your currency. If you look at it by default, all the currency are in dollar. Can you see? Can you see they are all in dollar, but you can set it up to naira. So you can come here, you can just change your currency to currency. Let me click on currency, and you can see dollar is the default. And if I want to do it now, I'm going to change it to naira. So can you see initially this is dollar. So let me come here, change it to naira. Let me set default, my naira as my default. I'm going to click on enable. Immediately I enable it, can you see this one is now default? What can you see? That's nice, right? So if you come back to this place and you refresh and you wait for it to load, can you see? Do you not know what this thing do? The thing will automatically calculate the amount, automatically calculate the amount of the dollar in naira. So they have a calculator here. Can you see? Sign naira value. This is 411 per $1. So if you want to change it to, you can change the value here by clicking on this place to edit it. You know, normally $1 is normal rate. In a normal rate is around 430 something or 460 something, but in a black market that's what we see, it's around 650 something or stuff like that. You can change the value here, and that is all. Very simple. So when you're done with that, you can come here. If you want to charge taxes, you can click on tax, but I don't think Nigerian people will put tax here. So if you want to put your payment, you can click on payment. Oh my God, oh my God, there's a lot of great payment, a lot of payment. Tell me the payment you want that this thing does not have. You need Stripe is here, you need PayPal is here, you need all these payments that people are using even outside the country that we don't know about in Nigeria. They are here. We only know about Stripe, PayPal, and Paystack, Flutterwave, and bank transfer. That's what we know here. So we can set all these things in your Paystack. Let me show you Paystack because the how to configure Paystack of this place is quite different from how to configure the one you see on your WordPress. So let me show you. You click on your Paystack here. So let me come here and go log into my Paystack. Paystack. Okay, let me just click on this. So it's gonna load. So I'm gonna wait for it to load. It's gonna ask me to log into my account. I'm gonna click on this. So when I click on it, it's gonna log into my account. Now I want to copy let me use my test secret key. Let me use my test. Can you see? I'm going to copy mine. Now, if you look at this place, can you see? There's only one key here. Can you see? This is the key. If you are using, what's it called? If you are using, if you want your website to be live one, that if you just want to put a test there for the purpose of testing, for the purpose of testing, you copy this one, but make sure you don't forget to change it to live secret key, because if you put test secret key there alone, everybody will just begin to order, and if they are clicking on Paystack, they will not be able to make payment. So that is the only thing you paste here. But you know, in Ecommerce, in WordPress, you will ask for your test secret key and your test live key. It's going to ask for, if it is on what's it called, on e-commerce, it's going to ask for your test secret key and your test public key. And if it is here, it's going to ask for your live secret key and your live public key. But here, all they need in this script, all they need is just your test secret key or your live public key, any of the two. So you're going to put in your Gmail here. Just call it Michael 2, and I'm going to click on submit. So I've set up this one like that, so I can order with my Paystack. So, and you can also do another one. You can do like bank transfer. You can do lot, but in Flutterwave now, Flutterwave will ask for the 2 key. Can you see? They ask for the 2 key. So that is just, they ask for Flutterwave public key, Flutterwave secret key, and Flutterwave test key. So I think these are the 2 things you need to get. So make sure you just get it, and make sure you use live. Please use live so that people will be able to make correct payment. Now let's check. Since I've installed it, let me just refresh and let me check the Paystack we did, and let's just order for one product. Let me just order for this product. And I'm going to click on buy now, and I'm going to click on checkout, and I'm going to click on okay. Let me just fill a billing address. And what else again? I'm going to say the same way as my billing address. If I didn't click on this one, it's going to take me to where I'm going to put in my billing address. But let me just click the same, and I'm going to click on the site is yeah. Click on it and click on continue. Now it asks me, guy, review your product too, so that we can know. So I'm going to check my okay. Wow, this is my address. Okay, it's okay. I'm going to click on the Paystack. I'm going to click checkout now. Checkout with Paystack. I think it should be able to generate me a key to just test it out. So let's wait for it to load. Now in most cases you're going to see this thing, right? So all you need to do is just close it and cancel this, close it, and go back to this place. Just copy your live secret key, straightforward. So let me just copy this. This one will ask me for password, and I'm not sure I know my password offhand. Wait, it's going to ask me to put in my password before I can copy it. I'm coming. Now see, so I'm going to copy this one. Immediately I copy it, I'm going to come to this place now, and I'm going to put it here. Let me just come to my Paystack and just take away this, delete it, and paste the key here. Now I'm going to click on submit. So I will refresh this place now. So I'm going to, after refreshing, I'm going to click on pay stack now. Check out with pay stack. Just wait a little bit and reload. It usually happens, but I will just wait a little bit and reload. But before then, let me set up my other payment of method, bank transfer. I'm just come here, say okay, this is my bank transfer. I'll just put in my account name here, account number here 0058027553. My name, I want you to put in Adedapo Michael here. And my Gmail, I'm going to put in Adedapo Michael 02@gmail.com. Adedapo Michael 002@gmail.com. So I'm going to click on submit. Yeah, that's it. So let me show you also how to create a coupon. I'm still coming back. We're still going to test everything we do. So let me show you how to create a coupon. Let me just set a coupon code. There's a lot of coupon on the side, but I'm going to create my own. So in case you don't want all these, that's cool. But I'm going to create it. Let me show you how to create. Just click on add and just type the name of the coupon code. Just say title is 50% discount. Enter the code. Just tell them anybody that type Dleading. Number of time. Let's say 1 is okay, or let's just say 2. Now, how do you want the discount to be? Is it percentage? If it's or amount? But I go for percentage. If it's amount, you can put the fixed amount there, and if it's percentage, you can just put 50% here and click on submit. So that's done now. Can you see? But because it's done, it's yet to be enabled. So what I'm going to do is that all this one I enable. I'm going to delete. I'm going to disable them. This one disable them. This one disable it. And I'm going to enable only this one. Oh, that's cool then. What else again do I need to show you? You can okay, it's okay from here. Now, if you want to change any customer list, this is where you can see the list of the customer, manage ticket. Maybe anybody fill a ticket and say, okay, manage site. Yeah, this is where you can edit, do the general setting. Come to general setting here. And what is your name? You can just change it to Jesus Store. And let's say divine, anything Jesus, divine. Let me just say give your life to Jesus. Now you can put anything you like here so that you can enjoy the give your life to Jesus. Now on page title, or give your life to Jesus. Now let me just say Jesus love you. Jesus love you, love you. So you can come here. You want anything to do, you can just click on submit. So you click on submit, it's set up. Then you come to your home page theme. If you want to change the home page theme, we have home page 1, home page 2, home page 3, home page 4, but I'd go for this. You have media. That's where you can upload your logo. The logo you are seeing here, this is it here. But make sure you use this site. They have already told you. If you look at the one I used then in my former website, the site was bigger than this. Yeah, I just do something because I don't have time to begin to just customize your size. Make sure your size is 140 by 40 so that it can fit in perfectly. So, but I don't have a logo that is in this site now, so I'm not going to set up this one. Once you click on this place, once you click on it like this, or click on browse there, it's going to take you to where you can get your logo, and once you put it here, just click on save. And the Ficon also, this Ficon that you are seeing here, this is Ficon, Favicon rather. Just come here, change it. Okay, can you see they have told you already 16 by 16. Just put it here. If you have, and you want loader, all this loader, this thing that you are seeing, if you have another thing and you want to change it, but I think you will leave. This one is okay. So SEO, you can just say I will just clean this place. This is very, very good. You can just say, just type your business store. I will just say Jesus store or Jesus multipurpose e-commerce shopping. Yeah, it's okay. And I will click on. You can delete all these things or put in something nice about your business. I shouldn't be the one to teach you SEO. If you want to learn about SEO, you can check my YouTube channel for video on it. So once you're done, just click on submit. What else again? Script, shop and checkout. Let me see, is there anything to come? No, it's okay. Footer, yeah, you can change your footer. You put in your address here, number 56. Number 56. NTC Road. Okay, this is it here. Okay, Ibadan. Store email. Let me just put Adedapo Mike O2. Yeah, this is my number. So you can reach out to me. Currency giveaway. Yeah, these are the currencies. Okay. Copyright. I'll just say, let me just say Jesus love. Jesus love you. Love you. So what else again? Yeah, social media. If you have a social media link, you can come here, put in your social media Facebook. All you need to do is just to click on this plus. Okay, sorry. Click on this place and put in your link here. Your social media link. Click on this place to put in your link here, to put in your link here, to put in your link here. And after that, click on submit. Your working days. If you work from Monday to Friday, it is okay. From Monday to Friday, we resume 8 a.m. 8 a.m. 8 a.m. and you change this one to a.m. till what time? Let's just say this place till 8 p.m. No, to 4 p.m. is okay. This is the normal standard place, normal standard work. So once you're done, click on submit, and it's going to basically load. My network. Why now? Sorry, I'm having issue with my network. Sorry. Disconnect. Connect again. Yeah. So let me just refresh. Continue. Let me come to footer. Okay, thank God. Submit. So let's check the site. Let's get back to the home page. As you coming back to come and do the installation, or let's see, we're coming back to come and do the payment rather. So let's check the footer section. Can you see all this thing is here? These are our links. So you can take away this if you don't like it. So let's just try one. Let's try one. And let me install. Let me try to make a payment on this, and let's see how it goes. Okay, buy now. Now, okay, that's good. I have two categories. Let me apply the discount, the promo code now, which is Dleading, and I click on apply. Can you see this is the amount of the two product now? So let me click on apply. See that, and the discount code is 50%. Can you see 50%? So let me click on checkout, and let me just put in some fake details here, and click on continue. So you click on, you have cash on delivery if you like. Once you set it up, we have bank transfer which you have set up, but the major concern is pay stack. Let's see how it goes, and click on checkout to pay stack. Why is it still showing this? Please enter a valid key. Let me see the key I copy. Let me go back to my store. Let me go back to my e-commerce, my payment, the pay stack. Let me delete it and come back to here again. This is my, okay, let me copy this. Oh, sorry guys, this is the key you will copy. Live publish key. Please, this is all you need. Live publish key. I think I remember now. Just paste it here, Ctrl V, and click on submit. That's done. Come back to this place, refresh, Ctrl R. So let's go again, remove paste tag. Travel by paste tag. Yeah, check out with paste tag. Can you see, guys? Can you see now? You can enter your ATM. I'm very sorry, a lot of things on my head, so that's why I say. So put in your ATM card number here, this and that, and click on payment, and you can pay. But me, this is live one, so I don't have money to to do that. If you also want to use the test secret key, you can come here. Let's go copy the test public key. This is it, and let's come here. Let's set it up. Paste tag. Delete this one. Let me paste that one is test. Yeah, click on submit and come back to this place. Let me cancel this and refresh. Let me refresh, and let's click on paste tag and click checkout. Can you see now? This is test secret key now. Yeah, this is test. So you can click it because it's test secret key. You can click on this and click on pay with and see how it works. It's payment successful. So that is literally how, and it's going to redirect you to where you can see your stock. I see thank you, your order has been blah blah blah. So guys, that is just it. I think you can see how it works now. But make sure you change it back to this to live, because if you didn't change it back to live, you can see that people will just begin to order anything on your site and they will not pay $1. So that's just it. This is the one you use, live publish key. So what else do I need to show you again about this site? It's a very nice one. You can manage, yes, manage. I've told you. You can come to general settings. You can come to home page. Home page. Now this image, you will see it here. Let's go to home. You see the image here. So can you see this is the image? You can change them. This one is slider, so you can change this slider. So this is the image. I don't have another image to put in here, but I'm going to show you where you can put it. This is the image, first image, and this is the second image. Can you see the first image, the second image? This is a slider. So let me show you where you can see the slider. Now, what you need to do now is to come to this place and can you see slider? Click on the slider. You are going to see all these slider we have here. Can you see these are all the slider? All the slider are what you are seeing here. And what you are seeing here. All this you are seeing here, they are all here. So change it and write everything you want to write here. Change it. Make sure you know you are using for team 1. We are using team 1. Let me show you where we see that team. Manage site. General setting. Now we come to home page team. See that we are using team 1. So every slider you want to edit, you must edit the one under team 1. Like this one is under team 1, this one is under team 1. So basically these are the two under team 1. So edit them, put your stuff there, and that is all. So what else again do I need to show you? Services. You can put in your service page. Can you see all these things you see here? All this 1, 2, 3, 4. They are here, there. Just edit it and put in your content here. What else again? Visibility, social logins, email setting. All these things is something you can maintenance, sitemap, blah blah, language. Those are the things you can just set up by yourself. And what else again do I need to show you from this? The script is a very robust one. Yes, in case you have FAQ. These are the category of FAQs on the site you can check. And we also have a blog. Can you see all the blog? Just click on each category. You see all the 2 categories, fashion and beauty, and we see all the blog. And I think the blog is here. Where are the blog, popular category? Okay, no. Feature. blog. Our blog, that is, can you see them? You can change all these things. So, and these are all the blogs. Just you can, and if you don't want it, you can delete it. Can you see delete? If you don't want anything, you can delete it. So let me just close it. Manage page. You can click on this manage page if you want to see how many page. Any page you don't want here, just delete them. It doesn't. There's no problem in that. Site list, subscriber list. Yeah, I think I've walked you through everything now. And you can see a dashboard, and you can see all the other way, all the little other way do. So you can just see a lot of things are here. A lot of things you can just. That is just basically how it go. And what I think I have notification. You have received a new order. Can you see? We just did one that we do test running, and here is it showing that okay, we have, and you can click on it to view the order. Wow, who is the owner? Who is ordering? This guy. What is the name of the guy? This is the name of the guy. Okay, what is he ordering for? He's ordering for a particular product. This is the name of the product. Amount. This is another one. Amount. Okay, does he have a task? Okay, he has a task. Discount. Yeah, he has a discount. Shopping. Shipping. The total amount due. So, if you don't want shipping, you can just delete all the shipping stuff of the thing. I think you can see them here. Where the code, payment, e-commerce, shipping. So those are the two shipping we have. Can you see this one and this one? You can delete them if you don't want, and if you want, leave it there. That is just basically how it go. I hope you are getting me like this. So, guys, that is basically what I want to show you, and how you can build a standard e-commerce website that when people come, now imagine people coming to your site like this, they will begin to say, wow, this is nice, this is lovely. Imagine these are the things that you can build for a client at the rate of 500k, 300k, 400k at most. Even though if you build it for 200k, you are still getting money. You are not doing anything. You just need to edit. That is all. And take away some page you don't want away from it. Take away any page you don't want. That is basically how to go about it. So guys, this is just where I'll be ending the video now. I believe now you can install it, you can edit anything you want to edit, and do anything you want to do. So thank you very, very much for staying up to this moment on my YouTube channel. So in case you need the script, you can shout me out. You can shout me up rather. And let me share my phone number to you guys so you can just reach out to me online. So let me just put it here. So this is my phone number here. Can you see it? So you can reach out to me through this phone number 0903538221, or through my let me just put in my business email, added up on my care02@gmail.com. So you can send a mail to me, or call me, or chat me up on WhatsApp. I'm gonna pick a call instantly. Thank you very, very much, my guy. If you have any question, or you have any latest video you want me to do, just drop it in the comment section for me, so that I can look at it and I can get the instrument I need for the video. Any video you want me to do, just drop it in the comment section and I can take a look at it and see if something I can do for you guys. I am committed to give you the best. Your success is my own major goal. And please, if you are just a newcomer on my side, please try to click on that subscribe button to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you have been a lover of my channel, that is nice. Please help me to share my video, help me to share to your loved one, to your family, to everybody around you. And at the same time, I would like to tell you that Jesus really loves you and he has a very, very good plan for you. Please, if you are yet to give your life to Jesus Christ, I will encourage you to give your life to Christ, because in Christ, that is where we have success. In Christ, that's where we have outstanding success. I won't be anything today if not because of Christ. It is the major reason for my success is just based on Christ, and I know it can help you irrespective of what you may be passing through or how you have messed up with your life. When you come to Jesus, it's going to affect you. So guys, please, I want you to come to Jesus. I want you to accept him as a Lord and personal Savior, so that you can enjoy the best in life. And I pray for you with you now that the Lord God Almighty is going to intervene in every area of your life. Whatsoever thing you may be passing through now, the Lord is going to encounter you and solve those problems for you now. Every everything you are trusting the Lord for, I pray that within 7 days, the Lord is going to grant it unto you in the name of Jesus Christ. Thank you very much for watching my YouTube channel. Seriously, I usually pray for my YouTube, for my subscriber, for my follower, for my everyone around me. And I know my prayer is going to be working upon your life. Thank you very, very much. One more time, my name is Adedapo Michael Sunday. I'm a student of Adekunle Ajayi University. I'm from Ondo. Thank you very, very much. But I'm based in Ibadan and I'm currently now in Lagos. Thank you. I love you guys. I love you guys. I love you guys. Bye. Have a wonderful day.